Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notifications in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the notification settings button. And here you can see there are several notification settings that you can enable. So choose which suits you the best. So you can get new recommendations, and then just click on the enabling sign. And then you can follow magazine notifications, you can follow news and announcements. So just choose whichever is best for you, and then just click on the little white circle. And if it turns blue, then it means that the notification is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.